Hi guys, this is Maddie. In this video, I'm gonna show you
how to change your voice like this
in your iPad or any sound effect you like.
Let's start. First, open App Store. Then search Voice Changer. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. Here you have three options. In camera section, you can take a video and then change your voice. Or, for example, in the video section, you can change your voice in the game that you previously recorded or any video that you have in your gallery. Otherwise, tap on Record. And finally, select Record button. Select OK. This is test 1, 2, 3. Then hit the stop button. After that, choose any sound effect you like. This application has more than 20 free sound effects. For example, baby.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
Or evil.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
Now let's choose walkie-talkie.
This is test 1, 2, 3.
After choosing your sound effect, tap on Share. Then choose Save to Files. Select Save. Very fast and easy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Subscribe in our channel so that you can find a host of clever features and useful tools. See you soon in the next video.